Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Dr. Hassan Habib and I am delighted to discuss about markets and marketability second part, which is including traceability, value addition and nutritional value, seafood certification process of Marine Stewardship Council MSC, and also circular economy. What is MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, and what they do? The MSC is a global organization that certifies wild fish and seafood from fisheries that meet its standard for sustainable fishing. Sustainable seafood comes from fisheries that catch or harvest fish that ensure the long-term health of stock and well-being of the ocean. To become certified, these fisheries must comply with requirements across these principles, three principles. The first principle is only fishing healthy stocks. Number 2 is being well managed, so stocks can be fished for long term. And number 3, minimize their impact on other species and also wider the ecosystem. That is why their certificates or eco-labeling is widely acceptable to the consumers. For example, in Singapore and many European countries, they love this MSC or ASC labeling seafood. So, if you see these photos, you can see the MSC blue label, and this only blue MSC label is only applied to the wild fish or seafood from particular fisheries which have been certified by them and follow the MSC standard. And this is a set of requirements for sustainable fishing and some other seafood products from them that have been certified already. So, why need MSC certification? Now, our fishing is a grave threat to our oceans, and the reason that MSC and our eco level exist, this is from MSC. More than a third of fish stocks are estimated to be fished as unsustainable levels. This is recent report by MSC, they are headquartered in UK. So, overfishing is driven by several factors that will worsen the status of our oceans unless we do something about them. Seafood is already among the most widely traded food commodities in the world, and demand for seafood is rising as the global population also grows. This also reported by Marine Stewardship Council in 2024. Traceability system for quality monitoring in the fishery and aquaculture value chain. Nowadays, it is important to know the origins of most products, not only for the public health reasons with regard to the food products, and also because of the increasing populations awareness of environment and social aspects. And food traceability information must be collected throughout the supply chain and also being registered on the platform external to the operators in the chain. So, for example, this information can be like barcode. So, barcode must be available not only to the value chain operators, also public health authorities and also to the end consumers. One of the best ways to provide consumers or customers with this traceability information in the place where they need to make a decision about which products to buy. This reported by Oliveira in 2021. Nowadays, consumers are looking forward to consuming dietary food with low fats to keep themselves healthy. In contrast with normal foods, seafood has high nutritional value. Most people like to consume crab species that are low in fats and good source of protein and also rich in minerals like selenium. The value is playing the most significant role in the modern industry, which comprises quality, service, and also the price. Value must be added to the crab and crab based products according to the various countries and its environment. So, here crab is as an example. Value addition is a forthcoming process to increase the profit of the food industry. Circular economy or CE, this pursues minimization of raw materials inputs and valorization or valuable of waste or side streams, preservation of the resource value of a product as long as possible during its life cycle. This is reported by Rigorio et al. 2021. Circular economy, according to Allen MacArthur Foundation in 2012, they said it should be restorative and regenerative by design and differentiate technical and biological cycles. This processes redesign and reintegration of used products at their end life. Although circular economy is a controversial concept, this Rigorio again mentioned in 2021 report. Aquaculture future systems should be designed on the basis of ecological principles, as is shown in recent systems like IMTA, integrated multi-tropic aquaculture, biofloc, aquaponics or aquamimicry. So, in sum, if we say new aquaculture models based in circular economy should explore creative designs that could offer in the long run the potential to improve profitability and sustainability through the valorization of the byproducts and side streams in aquaculture. So, this also reported by Rigorio et al. In 2021. So, what is aquamimicry? So, if someone asks, so it means that is a concept that strives to simulate natural estuarine conditions by creating zooplankton blooms, mainly copypods here, as a supplementary nutrition to the cultured stream and beneficial bacteria to maintain the water quality, which is very crucial for aquaculture. This Romerio 2017 he reported. So, see this figure of circular economy in aquaculture. So, you will see here especially IMTA, even when an IMTA model is applied, aquaculture still generates different subproducts which may be reused in diverse ways depending on their characteristics. In order to maximize this throughput of this industry, I mean aquaculture industry, a hierarchic model shall be applied to the sub-products. So, the main purpose of circular economy is to prevent this waste production and set up an efficient and properly managed system. Sub-products this inevitably produced should be reutilized or to reduce them to a minimal amount and finally avoid their release to the environment, especially in the ocean or aquatic ecosystems. Thank you everyone for listening.